Jaja City, Jaja Town, them can't turn it into a cowboy town. Oh, who do you think you are? We're living in a small world. Yes, and a foreigner don't know it's the King of Fire. You don't know it's a reggae talk show live and living. King Shango representing tomorrow live and living. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be blazing. More fire. Majesty, Guadalupe, West Indies Festival.
Welcome.
Man. Raiders of fire.
Yeah.
Fire.
Friendly fire.
Send the fire, more fire, more fire. Can't cool place a bundle up. Guadalupe day, ya, Mama and Papa. I read the sapphire. One on your day, ya, Mama and Papa. You don't know West Indies Festival. I go up the King of Fire in the building. Guadalupe, I go turn up. Place I go burn. More fire. Medea.
Yes, I people, so open the fait là. Nous commençons avec Capleton. Capleton a just so high altitude. Yes, greetings.
Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I the First. Jah Rastafari, blessed Guadalupe is the King of Fire representing for good over evil, you know?
Yes,
For real.
It's a real pleasure to have you here tonight.
Yeah,
it's been a long time we've been waiting for our whole life.
Yeah,
you know?
man, you know. But you know, I'm no stranger to Guadalupe, you know what I mean?
We know that.
Remember the first time when I did the stadium, it was crazy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you know, Marigaland was mad too, you know?
You know, people still talk about it. Give me just a second to translate, yeah? Donc alors, nom la te ka di kon sa ke Guadeloupe a pon tek qui étranger bay et que il était déjà venu dans Vélodrome là et là c'est un super vibe. Après ça il fait Marie-Galante et donc ça t'est qu'on a dit crazy, ça t'est un genre malade qu'on nous a dit en langage en nous. Yes, and you know the people they do love you down here, you know.
Yeah, man, for real. I get a lot of love, you know what I mean, from Guadalupe, you know what I mean. Love, the outpouring affection is great, you know what I mean. And Guadalupe remind me of home, you know what I mean. I've seen the banana trees, I've seen the coconut trees, and you know what I mean. For real, it reminds me of home, the nice beaches, and you know, it's a joy, you know, it's a blessing. It's like I'm home, you know.
Good.
Yeah.
Donc il a dit que bon c'est conseillé à Kazaï quoi donc la plage c'est pied bois là peuple là donc c'est conseillé à Kazaï pas senti étranger donc puis son bénédiction et donc il est avec nous ça très bien. So we're gonna start the interview. You know we've got a lot of questions. You know it's like you know I mean I was a kid. I was listening to Capleton,
right.
You know, Arms House and them things, you
right.
know, them tunes. So you can't believe the amount of questions we've got, you know?
For real.
First one is how when did you realize that you were made to be a singer? À quel moment réaliser que faut te chanter?
Well, from an earlier age, you know, like 9, 10, growing up in the community, like, you know, every major thing that happened, you know, I always wrote about it, you know what I mean? I always do a song. You know, and I grew up in the church too. I was in the choir too, so you know what I mean. Yeah, from a tender age, you know what I mean.
Yeah. Donc pour ça c'était très bon air, ça c'est-à-dire à partir de 9 l'année et donc il était écrit c'est tout bitin, il entend parler de toute situation il était écrit ici et c'est monde qui était à l'église aussi. Donc toutes ces bitins là, ça toute cette inspiration là, ça c'est de là ça qu'a venu. But you know, one thing that always amazed me is you know, from a very, very young age,
right.
People like you, I'm not saying you personally, but
right.
People who make it, people who become famous,
yeah.
They are always special people. They're always aware of things that the normal people
because
feel.
we got deep.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And so we're blessed with that musical talent, you know what I mean? Mm-hmm. And you know the music entails a certain amount of spirituality, you know what I mean? So, you know, whereas if you really find that powers of Rastafari, so you could connect naturally and naturally, you know what I mean?
Ok, question là donc c'était...
We're definitely special people.
Yeah.
You know?
Question là c'est en fait, c'était de dire que, bon, comme yo c'est des gens qui spécial. Yo c'est des gens qui spécial parce que là où ka vient un monde important, un monde qui célèbre, en tout genre fort spécial. Et donc, il était dit nous qu'effectivement, il y a une bitin spécial là, ça qui a fait qu'il y a connecté avec tout ça qui est spirituel et qu'il y a une musique, talent musical là, pour y transférer et donc partager avec le peuple là. Well, you know, you've been around for a long time.
Pretty good time.
You've seen how reggae music evolved. And now we see the influence from America.
Right.
How do you believe it's a good or bad thing for reggae music? You know.
Well, reggae music will always be the authentic music. People will always interject. You know what I mean? Even from the dancehall, you get reggaeton, you get slash dancehall, hip hop, slash R&B. You know what I mean? But our authentic dancehall, the music will always evolve. You know what I mean? New youth will rise with new experiments. You know what I mean? For the younger generation. You know what I mean? But you know, the authentic dancehall will always be authentic. The authentic roots and the message will always be there. You know what I mean? So you know, it cannot be blotted out. You know what I mean? It's a part of the thing. And everything have its space. You know, dancehall have its space. You know what I mean? Roots have its space. You know what I mean? Yeah.
So you're not scared for the way it's going now.
Well, I won't scared because, you know what I mean, as I said, the authentic part of it is always
still alive.
Yeah, it's still alive. And, you know, we travel the world galactically, and everywhere we go in the world, or everywhere we went, you know what I mean, it's the roots part of the music that the people really gravitate to because it have that message, it have that soul, and it have the spirituality, and it speak for the people. You know, the music is the voice of the people. You know, mostly the people that are oppressed and suppressed by the system, you know, systematically, you know what I mean. So, you know, as you know, reggae music, it fight against the system, it fight against injustice, it fight against inequality, you know, manipulation, death without dignity, exploitation, racism, sexism, you name it, you know, it goes on and on. You know, Rasta stand up for equal rights and justice.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Alors, donc, question là, et puis réponse à très longue. Question là, c'est par rapport à influence à toute musique américaine, donc nous avons musique là qui a évolué. Donc, est-ce que, qui j'en lis qu'après ça? Donc, lui a dit moi que, de toute façon, Woodstock est toujours là, reggae music est toujours là, message est toujours là, même si dancehall vient, même si R&B là qui a influencé aussi les soirées qui Jean Bitin a déroulé, mais en fait lui-même il pas inquiète pour ça, parce que ça là noyau là présent et donc musique là qui évolue, ça tout à fait normal, mais il est présent et donc c'est ça qui est bon quoi. One last thing, en fait, un dernier bitin qu'on a oublié de dire, c'est que effectivement son musique qui a véhiculé le bon message, mais ni monde qui a goumé contre lui, mais Rasta a fait message à passer.
Justement, on t'avait dit que nous ici dans, vous avez parlé de French Caribbean, but in Guadeloupe we talking about Creole.
Yeah.
Nous avons parlé créole.
Yeah.
Et en créole, où c'est un morceau fait. Ça nous va créer un morceau fait. Et puis, nous avons...
Oh.
Yes. Et puis, nous avons un grand regret ici, là, c'est artiste là qui viennent au nous, c'est que nous pas mener dans les écoles. Parce que quand on parle en l'eau, les petits moun, ou quand parler, parce que nous, sans les farines, ça a fait 6 ans de nous là, et nous voulons justement... Haïti bon pile dans combat là ça et puis mener des artistes qu'on vous qu'on connaît Africa qu'on s'ise là mener dans les écoles pour parler bas ces monde là mais puis concrètement parce qu'il y a pas tout le monde qui peut retrouver à des concerts. Alors voilà, tu veux avis aussi ça.
Okay, he's saying that basically that a lot of artists like yourself you considered like a don, yeah? And it's a shame that you don't stay long enough to tour the schools, to talk to the children. That's what you say. And he wants to know your thoughts.
Yeah, well, that would be good, you know what I mean? You know, talking to the youth, as I said, the youth, some of the future, you know what I mean? But, you know, more time, true, we have so much different engagement, then, you know, we can't tarry, you know what I mean? When we come, you know, we just have to do the show and then, you know, we just have to leave because we have a flight to catch and we have somewhere else in the world to go and, you know, but it would be a pleasure. You know, if we had the time, you know, it's no problem. You know what I mean? You know, we're definitely going to the schools and, you know, even wherever, you know what I mean, different institute, you know what I mean, and, you know, talk to the youths and make them know that, you know, they are really the future and, you know what I mean, without them then it's not going to really happen, you know what I mean, and it's a battlefield, you know what I mean, so we just have to stand up and fight, you know what I mean, but, you know, as I say, you know, if we get the time, then no problem. But, you know, we have to always on the go and always on the move, you know what I mean? I am one artist that, you know, I definitely, I love to perform for the audience. You know, I love the fans. More time when we at the venue, is me last leave the venue, you know what I mean? I try to take all the pictures, sign all the autographs, try to do all the interviews, you know, even though we know we can't do everything, but, you know, we try to please as much people that we can please as possible, you know what I mean? Cause, you know, without the people, then, you know,
you're nothing.
We're nothing, you know what I mean? So, definitely, you know.
Yeah. Donc, il était dit qu'en fait, c'est une question de temps, en fait. Il était aimé faire ça, mais malheureusement, bon, les Yovin, c'est en don tout, c'est carrière, il y a gérer, donc, il y a venir rapidement, touché par là, pour un avion, pour aller de l'autre côté, mais combat là, toujours là, et donc, c'est Malheureusement, c'est temps yo pas fait, mais yo te qu'aimé fait. Yes, people. Il a fait rapidement. Ça a fait rapidement. Alors, this one, his name is Nate. He's a craftsman, yeah? So, this is our gift, from the radio. And, this one is really gifted. So, we're happy to give you this for your long career and the message you keep promoting. All right. Yes.
Yeah, man. That's the fire.
Yes.
Wow.
Look.
It's the king of fire. Well done. Marcus Garvey with me sword up on my right hand side. Still I say I in the chariot and no ride in my right on the edge of the wind. You know what glide in my glide. Well Hitler and him friend the whole of them a figure hide. Mussolini in the battle he must slip up and slide. Tackle King Selassie now the whole of them collide. In a Geneva conference and took them by big surprise. Them could not take the power in a Selassie eyes. Well all who defeated everything of the rise and crown him the conqueror, the king of the wise. Ethiopia at the ice, me say Guadalupe prize. Come on for your pumps and pride. Sister Babylon will them not stop victimize. Sister Babylon them mentally paralyzed. The vision is the aim only that them provide. Righteousness the whole of them try avoid. Gods and maggots for a season scribe. All of them vex when them know me arrive. And when me a go burn out all them evil vibes. And when me a go burn out all them war and strive. And when me a go burn out all them devil device. What? Burn out the jacket and burn out the ties. Burn out the fabrication and burn out the lies. Burn out the traitors and burn out the spies. Tell the Ethiopian them fi centralize. Tell the Ethiopian them fi organize. Food is coming from the soil, only coming from the hives. Well that simply mean that our bees are alive. They make me see your hands them from your have to survive. I make me see your hands them from your now build not strive. What? Belly to belly me say and side to side. I fi take a look in at the black woman eyes. Woman them a flap me like a beast from the hive to me. No officer girl and me know how to ride. 2 minute business then you have to avoid. Woman want to real and she want the full drive. No sit down on the steering if you don't know how to drive. It's your way drop off on the wayside. Lick up your will, lick up and collide. When Hitler invade England and it nearly capsize. And to Ethiopia them have to turn them eyes and call King Selassie if he get some advice. Him tell them I'll see the whole of them was surprised. Him tell them like the see the whole of them was surprised. Fire upon water now them start realize. Emperor Selassie is the eyes of all eyes. You're not be no fool then you have to be wise. Burn Babylon with them one bag of nice. Righteousness will Guadalupe of the rise. Tell the get to you them they open them eyes. More fire. Well done. Selassie the first. Done. No. It's the king of fire. Guadalupe me there. Well make me tell them this. Well, I'm going to kick off that door and dash where they lock them. Cause Babylon mentally trap them. Send a message to the soldiers and they cap them. When you see the innocent youth, nobody shot them. The little split tail, nobody lock them. See the distant people don't harass them. Pull up. Hold on, man. Come out again. Selassie, I live it every time. Emmanuel live it every time. Marcus Garvey ready again. Guadalupe, well I'm going to kick off that door and dash where they lock them. Cause Babylon mentally trap them. Send a message to the soldiers and they cap them. When you see the innocent youth, nobody shot them. See a little split tail, nobody lock them. See the distant people don't harass them. Tell the petty thief stop broke the shop them. Leave the people phone them, laptop them. Stop bust off the chain them and pop off the watch them. Burn out the wolf them and burn out the fox them. Tell them don't come near the flock them. The leopard them now go change them, spot them. To the medias and the distract them. Real song forget the #1 slot then. When last you ever see a big tune in the top 10. Them a get out and we a go stop them. Promoters know the artists, them I tell you send no clash them. Producers say be careful and no vice and no chat them. Only if you can country and dance and all go hip hop them. When music a teach them a lesson and that one ya go clap them. Tell the artists them fi cut out the crap them. How them a trace like a woman in a frock then. Who that a call me name me they gonna watch them. Get the people focus and stop distract them. Why JPS a shock them. NWC they a wash them. Tell the airport with the pilot them. That's why that judgment have to go clap them. Alright, them stuff cook I tell me have to scrap no for the pot them. Too much man I get me have to lock with this trap them. Go on Jamaica come. More fire, you don't know, you see it. West Indies Festival I go up. King of Fire Rastafari, it's a blessing. It was a pleasure being here, you know. Keep the fire burning, you don't know. Tell the people come out in the tens and thousands. King of God blaze more fire, can't cool Rastafari is the Almighty. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie I, Jah Rastafari, Raiders of Fire. Keep it higher, Raiders of Fire, keep it higher, turn it up in a water, keep it higher, Raiders of Fire, keep it higher, King Shango with the fire. Tell them me say, wada dada, can't this wada dada, can't this wada dada, wada